Welcome to another special video showcasing the dangers of being on the road, where one mistake can lead to serious consequences. Please take this as a lesson on exactly how not to drive. He tried to overtake a group of motorcyclists going at high speeds on a tight, bendy road. Two idiots racing leads to a car crash because one of them was clearly blind.
$1 million on Trey Turner. The Padres were willing to give more than that. They were willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. We saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Taillon from the Cubs.
Speeding through blind intersections is a high level of stupidity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I think he forgot he was carrying something. Either way, the impatience caused him instant karma. The overtaking car owes his life to the truck that moved out of the way. These two very quickly found out why street racing is never a good idea. Another example of why patience on road is important. would have thought that hitting hard turns at high speeds can cause loss of traction and control. Clearly not this guy.
I see white lines, but I don't see the thing that's making us smoke that.
God, that's so dark.
Yay, rubber. Jesus Christ, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Can't even, oh, it's just on fire.
Holy shit. What? I have never seen anything.
Range Rover tries to tailgate an ambulance to skip through traffic and very nearly finds out.
Oh my God. What is this Range Rover doing? Yeah.
What a fucking cunt.
Very narrow miss as the biker manages to swerve just in time. Always check your mirrors before switching lanes. Don't be like this guy.
And by less, I mean 99.9% less me. No, you know this. Go ahead. I totally forgot this right when they brought it up. But it's not really related.
Instant karma strikes on a speeding vehicle who's swerving in and out of traffic. Not only an illegal U-turn, but also causing a crash after swerving lanes. Idiot driver stops in the middle of the road to speak with a pedestrian. New level of entitlement. This turn was clearly worth more than his life, as he was ready to risk it for that.
Whatever it is, that this is enough already. People can't. The people.